Can't see my face because it says starting stream, man. Come on. Come on, man. I know you see it says starting stream. Let's go. Trade with Ask. I follow you everywhere. Let's go, brother. Thank you for the follow. First and foremost, how is everybody? How is everybody doing? Everyone's doing good. Let's go. Do I have a lightning lamp next to your camera? I do not. Smart look today, yeah? Ash Shing, what's going on? So right now, Chicken Caesar wrap. The long sleeve shirt, you know, two-tone with it. It's a two-tone tee. Something differente. Show those gains. My beard is cool, man. Man, stop that behavior, brother. I don't even have a beard. Trader Ted. This turned into a mukbang trading and charts, you know. Trader Ted, hey, how is your day? Last time I asked you that is it possible to use the same strategy between currency and commodities and also indices, can we trade them the same way? If you can play football with Real Madrid, you can play football with Liverpool. You can play football with Barcelona. The sport is the exact same, man. The sport in this situation is trading. That's one thing that kind of ticks me off a little bit, not gonna lie. Reason being, people think that, commodities, indices, and all that, it's different. But look, that's just a word, it's just a name. Look at this here, yeah? The same way you have 1, 2, 3, 4. A break and retest on an indice is a break and retest on a commodity. It's a break and retest on whatever. So yeah, to answer your question, strategy is the same all the way around, from the daily time frame to the 1 minute. Same, literally the exact same. Win rate does not matter. Win rate is just people focus on win rate like it's life and death, man. Like, you can have 2 trades with a 1-to-1. One trade wins, one loses. Your win rate is 50-50. You can have the same thing with a 1-to-3. You win one, lose one. But your win is higher than your loss. It's not about win rate, man. I think it's more about risk to reward. Risk to reward overpowers win rate every day of the week. Every day of the week, risk to reward will always beat win rate in its sleep. Yesterday, I took a trade on US 30 from here to here. I'm gonna share it on IG. But yeah, I took a trade on US 30 from here to here. Today, I actually took 2 trades on US 30 today. The first trade was something like this. This trade, I closed it at break even. It was supposed to come to my TP, which is this white line, but it didn't. Instead, it reversed. It pulled an Uno reverse on me. So what I did then was I actually got buys afterwards, because I realized where price was actually going to. All the headlines were saying that US 30 is reaching 40,000 all-time high, and yeah, especially with that news event that came out today, I took a trade like this. It was actually a 1-to-5, this trade. Okay, let's go back to the comments. How do you manage your fear? Man, every trade I enter, I'm scared. Every single trade I enter, I'm scared. Dynamic, what up? Risky management, stop patience. Yeah. This means I have to focus on my entries with a specific strategy for each type of instrument. Is that it? No, brother, you're not hearing what I'm saying. Your strategy, if your strategy works on Forex, it can work on indices. The only difference is your lot size. That's it. You don't have to switch things up majorly, but like that is just the only difference. Your lot size. That's why people get this thing mixed up so much. Your lot size is the only thing that's different compared to anything else. When you're doing indices, you're doing forex, you're doing this, you're doing that. It's just the lot size. That's it. Nothing else. Because not every strategy is going to be bulletproof. Not every strategy is bulletproof. Trust me. FOMO is permanent. Stick to one strategy, otherwise it's blunder. Learn the skill and you can trade any market. Exactly. It's like basketball. There's D1 division, there's Major League, there's NBA. The sport is still the same, man. The sport is literally still the exact same. Just different teams. In a 5K account, how much bear losses in a single trade? You tell me, brother. You tell me. But usually, depending on your strategy, try and risk 1%, you know. What time frame do you draw support resistance? Every single time frame has its own support and resistance. I placed a trade on Nasdaq with one lot. It seems like it is a 0.001 compared to Forex. Maybe. Gold, next target tomorrow news. Yes. Today we're looking smart. Yeah. If you can say so. I need to get a haircut. I need to do my braids. But it looks like US 30 is starting to sell right now. US 30 is starting to sell. So, as you can see, I'm not going to say too much. The Dow Jones is a little changed after briefly topping 40,000 for the first time ever. Do what you want with that information. Are you in a buy or a sell on USD CAD, Will? Buy or sell on USD CAD? Buy. Okay. Well, I'm not sure you remember, we actually did a breakdown in the boot camp on USD CAD. Do you remember we did a breakdown on USD CAD? It was, I think, last week. Told you price is coming all the way down. We had a nice impulse. We had a nice correction. Because today's ones, I'm going to try and talk a bit about wicked zones a little bit in more detail. But yeah, price literally came right to the wick of this. Bang. Like, it is still low-key making lower lows and lower highs, don't get me wrong, but bang. At some point this was running like 2%. No, it was even running like 2.4%. I swear it's a quick scalp, in and out. In and out. You just ask yourself, where is price going to? That's just that on the 4 hour. So like we can even jump into 1 hour. 1 hour, rejection, inverse head and shoulder, left head, right, you know, boom, 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 boom. I'm playing off the 5. So now let's go into 30 and see what the 30 is saying. Look at this on the 30-minute time frame, guys. Let's go into the 15-minute time frame. So on the 15, there was a nice icy candle. We had a nice correction to the downside. Price went back to beginning of correction, breaking structure, higher high, higher low, rest is history. Then even here on the lower time frames, you can see price started to make lower structures, lower low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. But I'll be real with you, if you had entered buys here, there's a high chance you got taken out. Not even gonna cap to you. There's a high chance at, yeah, half one. We had unemployment claims, half one, tag out for price to continue to go. So this is what's happening now. The move has happened. Let's see what we're looking like on the 5-minute. I mean, on the 5, like, this was just a rejection. We had a nice impulse, nice correction, have to, bang, big push. The thing about this looks like a crazy push, right? It looks like a crazy push, but this is only about like what, 15, 16 pipachines, piparuski. Then now if you wanted to, you could also label this a inverse head and shoulder if you wanted to. I'm not gonna force you to it, but yeah, if you wanted to, you could. We had a nice wicked zone. Wicked. What did this look like on the 3-minute time frame? Too clean. 11 a.m. Shooting like a mob. What strategy do you trade? I trade the 5P strategy. You know how we do. I mean, me personally, it is a mix. Like, the way I trade is actually, it's a mix. Because I learned through YouTube, I did mentorship and all that, so yeah. It's a mix for me of just this and that, that and this. And yeah, here we are now. How much do I risk per trade? I risk 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6% on trades, man. 7% in a trade. 8%. Fuck it, 10%. You know? I'm joking, man. I don't risk 7-8% per trade. I risk 1%, man. But if I'm doing like a scalping challenge, then yeah, maybe I risk 50, all of that. I got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 M's in my bank account. Oof, in my bank account. 7-8% is no way. The crazy thing is 7 or 8% is actually not that much. You're kind of forgetting that it's 7, 8% out of. You're forgetting this, yeah? It's out of 100. Look at that, man. People just hop on any bandwagon. If half the world would say risk 1%, everybody does it. Everybody is a sheep. So now when you start saying I risk 10% per trade, it's like, yo, that's too much. It's 10 out of 100. 100% of your account. I'm risking 7%, 8%. This doesn't mean every trade. This does not mean every single trade. It means the trades that you know is worth it. Boom. So you're 7%. If you're running 1%, you're already running 7%, if that makes sense. Figures wise. People focus too much on the dollar. That's why they panic. Is it really out of 100 if it's a funded account? What else would it be, man? Everything is out of 100. You're risking 1% out of your 100k account, which is 1,000. That's how you do the maths. How else are you calculating your lot sizes? Like if you're risking a 10k account, you're meant to risk 100 per trade, which is 1% out of 100. Out of 10,000. You know? It's not that every single trade I'm doing this. No. That's just silly. Sometimes you feel a little bit frisky, you know? You just say, why not? But would you blow the account if you lost 7%? I'm not even gonna answer that question, man. I'm not going to answer that question. Are you willing to take the risk? Yes or no? Do you risk more in challenge than funded? 1,000%. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Exactly, scared money don't make no money. I'll be real, yeah, when it comes to challenge, I will risk 2-3% per trade. I'm not trying to do this challenge in 2 months, in 2 days, in 2 weeks. I'm trying to pass it now. So sometimes, if I see I have my setup, so let me just say GBP USD. If I see my setup is ready and it's cooked and it's bang, you know, I'm gonna risk it. I'm gonna risk 3% or 4 point something percent on a nice 1:3. The second my take profit is hit, I'll pass the challenge in one go. Like, speaking of, yeah, I'm actually doing a video which is out sometime next week on how I passed a MyFlash funding account phase 1 and phase 2. So you will see exactly what I'm talking about. I passed phase 1 in one day, boom. I passed phase 2 the next day, boom. Live account, took a trade, boom. And yeah. I feel like sometimes speaking it after the move happens, it's so much easier. So the video that I'm doing with my flash funding is literally how I, pass phase one, phase two, get paid, and yeah. So what happens after that is just basically I'm just taking you guys behind the scenes. Like how are you trading? Aren't you afraid of breaching the account? Man, you guys are inflicting so much fear. Like, what's with all this fear talk? That's how I know some of you guys are in the wrong mind frame, mind state. Fear. I'm talking about risking 7%. Somebody's talking about blowing. We're in two different frequencies, man. How about when the trade hits TP? That's one thing I don't like sometimes, man. Am I afraid of breaching the account? Of course I am. Am I still going to take the trade? Yes. Do you believe in yourself? Is the real question. That's the real question. Do you believe in yourself? I believe in myself 1,000,000% that I can take a trade, risk 4%, daily drawdown is 5. And don't forget, guys, we're not going for silly setups. We're not going for silly setups. We're waiting for the right setup to appear. I took this trade here. It came all the way here. This is a 1:12. I got out down here. Look at the potential. I had a sell limit here for price to go from here to here for 1:3. I missed it. This was on a Wednesday, the 8th of May. This trade was on the 24th of May. See the distance? It's not like I'm just entering trades for the heck of it. I did have one winner over here. I took it from here to here. And this was something like this. While everybody was selling GU, I was buying, man. I said to myself when I look at the higher time frame, where is GBP USD going to? In this moment in time, I'm just like, man, we're coming here. And we're coming here. And we're probably gonna come here too. And look, no joke. Price, higher high, higher low. Double bottom. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Higher high, higher low. Boom. People are selling, I'm buying. Whatever you're doing, I'm doing the opposite. Then yeah, obviously price could have retraced, but you gotta trust your analysis, man. Take a look at this in the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, price is not breaking below this area. That's your first sign. I should have held it. But I didn't. But sometimes, guys, you gotta leave money on the table. Kenny Rogers. You gotta know when to hold him. You gotta know when to fold him. You gotta know when to walk away. And you gotta know when to run. Because you better count that money when the deal is done. Alright? You gotta count that money when the deal is done. let's get this stream to 30 viewers, man. Come on, let's get this stream to 30 viewers, Brian. Let's run up the stream, man. Today there's no lag, so today's the best day. In your experience, what are the most common mistakes forex traders make? Big mistake number 1, FOMO. Number 2, being impatient. Number 3, I hate to say it, taking signals. Number 4, probably not learning about psychology and risk. Number 5, maybe not trusting their analysis and just listening to other people. You know, that's what I think though. And thinking you get rich quick. Ooh, you do not get rich quick, man. I'm only seeing the fruits of my labor in the last year and a half. That's when I started seeing fruits, reaping the rewards. In the meantime, none of this was happening. I was in the trenches, deep. Disciplinary. Consistency is key. Go hard or go home. Literally, go hard or go home. Like news can always fuck up your day, man. Like news kind of messed up my day on US 30 the first time. Like on US 30, I was going for sells. The sells were in motion. Then all of a sudden the bulls just creeped up out of nowhere. So I got out. Quickly just looked at the charts again and I just saw, right, okay. Higher high, higher low, retest, gone. I'm not going to tell you the news cheat code. You got to pay for the cheat code. I'm already giving away 2 accounts for free. Now you want cheat code? How many positions do I hold at once? 1. 1 position. Well, 1 setup. I can have 3 positions running on 1 setup. I can have like 6 one lots just running. But I'll tell you something, I'll never have 2 different like trade setups at the same time. Never, ever, ever. I would usually just have like one or the other. If I'm looking for a buy on US 30 and I'm looking for a buy on NASDAQ, I'm only taking one. There's no debate. I'm just taking one. Salmon Ramen, good to see you. It's good to see you back. Why is there so many lines on my chart? This is how I dissect US 30. So when I trade US 30, I take it serious. So I make sure all the lines are there to, help me with my bias and everything like that. I make sure like everything is just tip top turvy, tip top perfect, There is a chance that US 30 might buy to here. Right now. I'm not going to take this trade because, like I said, you got to know when to hold them and you got to know when to fold them. You got to know when to walk away and you got to know when to run. You got to count that money when that deal is done, okay? This could turn. I trade on a lot of time frames. Like any time frame you give me, I can trade on it. So some days I'm a swing trader, some days I'm a scalper, some days I'm intraday. It all depends. Like as I'm sitting here, I'm able to take advantage of the markets. If it's situations where I'm not really looking at the markets, I'll try and look for swing opportunities. Exit strategies, Fibonacci levels. How do you stay motivated and continuously improve your trading skills and knowledge? Consistency. Jose, man, I need you to, or should I say Jose? I don't know if it's Jose or Jose, but brother, I need you to type in English. No hable español. English. Man, people, what's better, Forex or futures? It doesn't matter, man. 1:3 is 1:3. But I believe you can make more money on indices. But that's just me, though. That's just me. I just have one strategy, man. Strategy mixed with edge. Greetings. Okay, Jose, thank you. Greetings from Colombia. Thank you very much for everything you share here. Let's go. Colombia. Man, where is everybody actually watching from? Drop your location. Drop your flag. Drop your... I don't know. Just drop something. So we got Colombia in the house. Anywhere else? We got Salim in Niger with it. Come on. We got Israel. Salute. We've got Ethiopia. Come on. Nelson Uche, Nigeria, Palestine. Canyon is from Belgium. We got India. Come on. As you can see, this thing is universal, man. Botswana away, man. This is the thing I love about trading. It can bring people all around the world, different nationalities. We got SA. We got Bangladesh. Come on, we international. And we don't even have to speak the same language like Jose. I don't understand English well, but I do understand what you do in the graphics. Thank you very much. Crack a hug. So, come on, brother. See, now we got India in the house. India, Bangladesh. We are from Earth. The great planet of Earth. Let's go. Today's stream was amazing. That last flag, I know my flags, but I don't know that flag. I don't want to say Mauritius. I don't want to say Mauritius, but what flag is that, Mart? Mart Oasis. What's your nationality? Today's stream, there's no lag. Sri Lanka, oh my God. I apologize, man. I apologize. I thought that was Mauritius or Madagascar. But at least now I know. Sri Lanka. Greetings, man. Greetings and love from Sri Lanka. Or Sri Lanka. Okay. Can we get to 35 viewers and do a giveaway? We've got Dubai in the house, UAE. What city, village? Man, you never know. Somebody drop your flag. Your own brother or sister can be trading right now. You can, this is what this community is about. I saw a few people drop India. Man, if you're from India, hit up that person. Make friends. Trade together. Build your own community. Like the video. Let's get to 35 viewers, then we do the giveaway. We're sitting at 34. 34, 34, 34. Let's get to 35. Let's get to 35 viewers and we do a giveaway. Everybody eats. Okay, guys. Read the comments. It's your favorite time of the day. 35 viewers. It's giveaway time. It is giveaway time. I am just going to get the Telegram link for you guys. I'm going to get the Telegram link. Invite people. If you're not already in the Telegram, I'm going to drop the Telegram link right now. That's all you got to do for today's giveaway. Make sure you join the Telegram, okay? Ooh, you guys are fast, man. I can't even pin it. I hope I pinned the right message. That's the Telegram. Join the Telegram right now. Sorry, Discord. Sorry, my bad. I meant to say Discord, not Telegram. Thank you for correcting me. Join the Discord. I meant to say Discord, guys. Discord. Make sure you're following on Instagram as well. Today was a nice chill session. So I'm going to pick 2 lucky winners on the phone right now. Two lucky winners. Who could you be? Man, some of these accounts you're giving me aren't even real accounts, man. How the hell are we gonna find a winner if you guys are using fake names? God damn. Alright, winner number 1, yeah? Sophie Q NUB. That's winner number 1. Now let's get winner number 2. I mean, if you guys are using fake accounts, I'm not even going to continue. I'm happy to just end it with 1 person today. You guys are all using fake ass accounts, man. So it looks like today there's only going to be 1 winner. Salim8220, I can't even find you, man. Fake account. The last person I'm checking is smack.artist. I'm gonna check if you have an account. Alright, winner number 2, Smack Artist, yeah? Make sure to message me, full name, email address, and your Discord username. Thank you for joining. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace.